Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to add a chat to a folder on Telegram. Whether you're looking to keep your messages organized or just want to tidy up your chat list, this simple method will help you do it in seconds. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version so that everything looks and works as expected. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see your list of chats. Next, find the chat you want to add to a folder. This could be a group, a channel, or a personal conversation. Once you've located it, press and hold that chat for a couple of seconds. This will bring up a few options at the top or on the side of your screen, depending on your device. After holding the chat, look for the three dots icon, usually in the upper corner of the screen. Tap on those three dots to open a small settings menu with several options. Now, from that list, select the option that says Add to Folder. Telegram will then show you all the folders you've already created, like work, friends, news, or any custom folders you've made. Choose the folder where you want that chat to go. Just tap the folder name, and instantly, Telegram will move that chat into it. That's it, simple and quick. Your chat is now organized neatly into the folder you selected. If you want to check that it worked, just head over to your folder section. You'll find the chat there, ready whenever you need it. You can repeat these steps for any other chats you'd like to organize, and Telegram will keep them all separated according to your folders. Keeping your Telegram tidy doesn't have to take effort, just a few taps and everything's sorted. Thanks for watching.